Welcome to motocompano. Let's talk about the different views for content. Regardless if you rather discover the adventures of others or drive your own tours, record tracks and videos or plan routes, you will encounter different types of content and notably combinations of files such as coordinates combined with images in PhotoPOI or file collections in folders. To explore, edit, experience and manage content, there are up to 5 views for different needs available. Let's get a quick overview. POI and folders are the types of content with the most views available. So let's open this folder to compare them. The folder opens in Edit View and you see a list of the contained items. You can add or remove files and rearrange them. Each file in the folder opens in their respective views when tapped on. So, here's a photo POI and it opens in Stream View, the first in the row of views up here. Stream View is available for POI and folders and shows they are containing files as visual stream. Here that's photos and a thumbnail of the POI on the map. Next is Show View. Here the content is presented accompanied with a tune and provided text is spoken by Siri or one of her friends' voices, depending on your device and settings.
Tim Else Josh Kurt. A perfect road for experience.
You can adjust the speed of the show by a slider and customize a lot more in the settings. Show View is experienced best in full screen. Info View is next in line and available for all kinds of content. Its purpose is to get and provide information about the file you are watching. There are different functions and settings included, depending on the type of content you open in this view. The POI is shown on its map section and it's labeled as Photo POI by the icon. Relevant information is given, like date and coordinates for POI. You can add text and tags here. And set POI's visibility on maps. The icon with the dot grid indicates Detail View. For POI, that's just the associated photos as a kind of cover flow presentation, and the POI on the map. Detail View is available for POI, routes, tracks and video tracks, and it's a lot more interesting for the latter 3 file types. So let's quickly head back to the folder in its Edit View and open a route. The route is displayed on the map, underneath you see information about it, and the graph represents the elevation profile. All of this is connected, so when you tap a point on the route, its altitude is shown accordingly. You can even virtually drive the route. So here we are back in Edit View of the folder we started with, and end the quick overview of the different views available for exploring and experiencing content. Drive safe and have fun while you intensify your moto life with motocompano.